Hey Chris,
Yeah.
now that you're in this new whole bachelor life and everything, you think maybe it's time to ask someone else to do your laundry for you?
We've all been there. One round in the dryer, and boom, your favorite shirt is now a crop top. Yeah, let's not do that again. Introducing the ICTK portable dryer, a smarter, safer way to dry your clothes wherever you are. Rainy day and no place to hang dry? This little powerhouse has your back. Weighing just 420 grams, it's compact, lightweight, and AI-assisted to give you the perfect dry without the damage. It's got UV sterilization built in, it's whisper quiet and easy to carry, so you can dry your clothes without waking the entire house. The triangular support structure maximizes space, and yes, there's even a little touch of luxury. Customizable aroma beads that make your clothes smell amazing. Need more room? Use the additional hooks to expand your drying zone. It's got smart touch operation with anti-touch protection so you don't accidentally mess with settings. The UV sterilization system also keeps your clothes fresh and clean. No sun required. And with full area drying, it boosts drying speed by up to 85%. Choose from 3 sleek colors, pack it up in its built-in storage bag, and take your dryer anywhere you go. Big performance, small footprint. This is ICTK. Enjoy the content? Join the community of innovators and check the details below.